Okay, today we're going to be replacing the blinker light on a 2001 Chevy Silverado. So this one is down here. We're going to be replacing this bulb. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take and there's little hooks right here. You're just going to pull them out on both sides. And then you pull them up. They should come up fairly easy. If not, you might have to just twist them a little bit. What that does is that releases this bulb, this plate, so you can take and you can kind of pull it out a little bit. It should just kind of fall right out, and then down inside of here, you're going to see it's this one right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to twist it. I put my hand back here, and then just give it a little twist. It'll make a little pop noise, and it pulls right out. And you can pull the bulb out. As you can see, this one's had better days. Oh, sorry about that. Kicked my stand. So what you do is you just take and you pull this one right out. Just like that. So you can see this one's had better days. And then I got a little replacement one. It's a little bit different. It's a kind of an aftermarket piece. This was the original. This is the new one. And so what you do is you take and you just push this right in there. There you go. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take and down in there again where it was at. You just take and put it in the same spot. And then you're just going to twist it back the opposite direction that you put it in. And that's how you change the light bulb, or this blinker.